Hi everyone, welcome to Info Syntax. My name is Nilamani and I am going to be your instructor over the next few hours. I am super excited that you are starting your journey to Microsoft SQL Server. Before you get started this course, let me quickly show you agenda of this course. This is completely bootcamp of Microsoft SQL Server. We will cover introduction of SQL Server with its different sub-languages, transaction SQL or TSQL, store procedure, function, trigger, constraints, view, CTA, and many more. We have divided into different chapters. Each chapter contains related topics. End of each chapter, we will discuss most important interview question and its answer. So it will help you to crack interview very easily on your future. We are going to be getting a brief overview of all the content in this course. Let's go ahead and start at Chapter 1. This chapter understand from introduction of SQL Server, set up database server on your local machine, SQL and its sub-languages such as data query language DQL, data definition language DTL, data manipulation language DML, data control language DCL, transaction control language TCL. At last, we will summarize the above topics in our summary. Wait, I forgot to inform you one information. At end of each chapter, there is an assessment test, so we can check your knowledge on each topics. We will move to our next chapter. We will start with the data types, operator, union and union null. Most important topic cover on this chapter, that is SQL join and constraints. Finally end with summary of this chapter. Next, chapter number 3, start most useful topic, that is store procedure and its type. Next, function. Then after we will discuss types of function in SQL, as well as we will discuss some useful system defined function and how can you use in our application. At last we will discuss difference between store procedure and function in SQL. Similarly here also we will get assessment and summary of this topic. Chapter 4, we will start with some most powerful topic like subquery, temporary table, derived table, common table expression, also we can call CTE, control of flow, case expression. These topics are very useful. Write your functionality of your application. Finally, we will discuss summary of the chapter and also we need to appear the assessment test. Chapter 5, we will cover indexes, view, trigger. Inside each topic, we will discuss syntax to create, modify and how to use and when need to use. Similarly here, we will summarize about topic on our summary and also we will get assessment test. Chapter 6, now time to handle exception in SQL program. So we will study error handling. Next, manage transaction in your application. So you need to understand transaction SQL or TSQL. Next, asset properties and normalization. At last, we will see the summary of this chapter. Chapter 7. This is one crucial topic in Microsoft SQL Server, that is SQL Injection. In this chapter, we will understand how can you protect your database from attackers to interfere with queries. So this is all about overview of our course. So I'm very excited to start this course without any delay. So one more time, welcome to Info Syntax to study this Microsoft SQL Server. All the best. We will meet again in our first chapter on our next video. Till then, we can subscribe our channel. We will get notification on our future session.